Hello, good morning to all of you. Today we start topic South Indian cuisine. The South Indian cuisine is known for its light yet flavor dishes. The rice is the primary staple and coconut, turmeric, mustard, curry leaves and fresh spices dominate the cooking style. The key features of South Indian cuisine. The first one is staple ingredients. The first one is rice, lentils, tamarind, curry leaves, mustard seeds, coconut, grated milk or oil, and a variety of fresh vegetables like tomatoes, eggplant, and okra. The next one is cooking techniques. First one is steaming, sauteing, frying, and slow cooking. Spices, mustard seeds, curry leaves, cumin, coriander, dried red chilies, turmeric, and asafoetida. The next one is popular dishes. The first is dosa, a thin, crispy crepe made from fermented rice and urad dal batter, typically served with coconut chutney and sambar. The next one is idli, steamed rice cakes, soft and fluffy, often served with chutneys and sambar. The next one is sambar, a lentil-based vegetables stew flavored with tamarind, curry leaves, and mustard seeds, typically served with a rice or dosa. The next one is chicken curry, a spicy and aromatic chicken curry from Tamil Nadu, known for its use of roasted spices and coconut. The next one is Hyderabadi biryani, a fragrant rice and wheat dish made with basmati rice, saffron, and spices, often served with raita or salad gravy. The last one is fish curry. In Kerala, the fish moli and mild coconut milk based curry or mean curry tamarind based fish curry are popular along the coast. The next is regional specific dishes. Tamil Nadu, Kuji, Panya, Bichi, Bele, Bath. Kerala, use of coconut is pervasive with dishes like avial, vegetable stew, cotton, nadu, duck curry, and appams. The next one is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra style chicken curry, gongura, pachadi, and puhi hora. Karnataka, ragi, mudde, bisi bele, bath, and Mysore pak. Thank you everyone. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel RPID Academics.